What up, guys? Live Eventually checking in. Nice to meet you. Got another top 5 Courier app just for you this time. Just for you. Just for you, guys. Remember, the point of these apps is just for you to add extra income to your pockets, guys. More tools in your toolbox. These are great, easy side hustles to do. It's a good industry, guys. Just transport things to and from, guys. So check it out. Another top 5.
Starting off with number 1, we have Metrobi, guys. The type of vehicle you're gonna wanna use for this particular app is an SUV, a van, a box truck. This is typically retail items, floral items, large quantities of flowers, etc. So you're going to be able to make, I think it's around $1,200 monthly with this app. So you should definitely check this out. It's located in a couple cities we looked up. It was, what was it, Florida? Georgia. Louisiana. So yeah, guys, check it out.
All the major cities, guys. All the major cities, major states, guys. Check them out, guys. Just give them a try. And also, guys, simple as an email. Hey, I'm interested. Here's my location. Can I drive for you guys? Very simple, guys. At number 2, guys, GoMo. This one is similar to Amazon Flex. It's more of a route-based company. You're gonna need anything from SUV to a box truck. They're in major cities such as Chicago, New York, and potentially come to a city near you, right, guys? So you definitely want to check this one out. You can make up to $250 a day. And like you said, this one's more so route-based. I know some of you guys prefer the last mile, last minute delivery versus the routes. It seems more like a job, but hey, it's an option. Check it out. GoMo, potentially make up to $250 a day.
All right, next we have Courier app. Check it out. The locations vary across the nation, but look and see if it's near you. Again, as he said, send an email. It's very simple. Just send an email, say that, hey, I'm looking to work. Can you open up this area near us? Courier app. So what you're gonna be doing, you're gonna be delivering construction, paint, tools, items of that nature to whoever's in need around the area, guys. You're gonna be picking up from places like Home Depot, Lowe's, etc. You can earn up to $45 an hour, maybe even more if you're the only one in the area. So check this out, check to see if it's in your location. It's a great app, Courier.
At number 4, guys, Pickup. This is a good one. They have a contract with Baby Bye Bye, Home Goods, as well as a host of other stores. So you're gonna be doing large item deliveries, guys. So this is a good one. You're gonna need a truck or higher, maybe an SUV, depending on what you're gonna be delivering. But this is a good one to look up to. You can make up to $45 an hour just delivering larger items.
Coming in at number 5, guys, we've seen the price of gas. It's always rising, it's going down, it's going up. It's a roller coaster all the time, but why not save on that, guys? We have for you the Upside app at number 5. You can save 5 to 25% on each gallon of gas, and you get that money back inside the app. They work with Exxon, BP, Shell, guys.
A lot of major gas stations.
The major gas station, guys. So if you pull off on the side of the road, make sure you have this app, especially when you're doing the other 4. If you are picking up some of these courier delivery apps and things like that, you are going to want to save per gallon. That adds up. That's a substantial amount of money a year. And so make sure you download the Upside app so you can save and put more money into your savings, or put more money into the fund account, guys. All right, that concludes our top 5, but we want to hear from you. Tell us a couple more, or tell us more information about these particular apps or your experience so we can relay this information to more of our viewers. We want to hear from you. Please share, like, subscribe below. Guys, as always, live adventurously. The world is yours.